Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our mile-a-minute crochet-along. Yay! I love a good crochet-along. So this crochet-along is a mile a minute. If you have ever done a mile a minute, you're welcome to just do your own and join in on the fun. Or you can also follow one of my tutorials. I'll be putting a few of them out over the course of the next few weeks, and you can pick which one you'd like to do, or of course you're welcome to do all of them. I should also say, if you're just popping by to this channel for the first time, this is all about crochet and crochet related goodness. There is a podcast on Wednesdays, a live chat on Fridays, and super fun crochet bits throughout. So if you have not subscribed, oops, it's far away. If you have not subscribed to the channel, consider doing that now. Just click the button down below and the notification bell beside that so you don't miss out on any of the fun. So, mile a minute, I love it. So fun. I don't know why I haven't been doing this forever. So this is how it started out. The original mile a minute chair back cover. So this is just a little, kind of like a lap gown, I suppose, to go across the back of my chair. And on the side that hangs down, so this is a rocking chair, I made these sweet little pom-pommy dongles. So this tutorial will be coming out also. I'll show you how to do that. And the yarn I used for this is one ball of whatever yarn you have laying around that you want to try out, you want to use. Or the ones I used are linked in the description box below. You can go and check them out yourself. Great prices, like 67 cents a ball, 75 cents a ball, crazy prices. And I used, starting from this side here, this is Verona Shine and Pastel Cotton, Loose Lana, this one is out of stock, Verona Shine, Rockstar, this is very popular. This is Color Twist, same as I did with my boho cardi, but a different colorway. This is regular eyelash. I love it. And this is Pastel Cotton. And this is Mini Chain Ladder Glitz. So those yarns I had on my shelf, I wanted to try them. I just made a stripe of each and then joined them together with a dongle at the bottom. So this is a great stash buster. If you just want to get through your stash, make a bunch of strips the same length, the same number of little chiclets going down the side, and we can join them up. So that is a great project if you want to bust your stash, try new yarn, or just mix up what you have. I really like how it turned out. Like, I think it really looks really cool. Like, this should be a fabric you can buy in a store. I really, really like it. So that was my first one, and I made it with these yarns here, but I already showed you that. Those are the yarns I used, all down inside there. And my second one, which I thought would be great for the cowl. So this beauty is my next one. This is a work in progress. I'm just working on it for the crochet along. I thought it's a nice, simple, you can see your stitches, everything is easy to follow. So I thought this will be a good way to learn if you are learning the mile a minute. And also just so dreamy for spring and summer. This yarn is 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. So it's super springy and stretchy and it's just so delicious. So I really, really love it. I really love it. The colors are so great. So this shelf here is all Lorena worsted all the way to the end, and then it comes all the way back. It stops right about there with the light green. So all of that is Lorena worsted. Fabulous colors. It is my new favorite yarn. It is a size 4 for thickness and works up great with a 7mm hook, so it really flies along. It's such a quick project. These are the colors I'm using for mine. One ball of Lorena worsted made 3¼ strips for my blanket, which is this long. So I got 3, there you go, 3½ strips per ball. So if you want to make it twice as long, like an actual real blanket, just double or quadruple the quantities. The good thing about Ice Yarn and ordering from Ice Yarn is they sell them in 4-pack sets. So each Each, same as my shelf, each color comes in like set of 4 balls. So 4 balls of each color, which is plenty for making your blanket. If you want to make it larger, of course, get an extra pack or 2 of the white. I love it. It's like so, I could go on. I won't go on. So this is going to be the cowl, and this is also going to be a tutorial coming out. So these 2 things you can get your supplies ready for. Can't wait to start. I'll have this one ready for Monday as long as I have electricity and internet and all my kids are healthy. So that's looking optimistic right now. So if you are ordering the same yarn as I am, you can order 1 pack of each of the 3 colors or whatever colors you like, 2 packs of your joining color, or if you're making it larger, get 3 packs of your joining color. The trick to ordering from Ice Yarns is to order 6 packs. That is your maximum shipping you can get, or the maximum quantity you can have brought to you, $20.95 to the US, Europe, and Canada, or $32.90 to more far-reaching places in the world, like Kenya. So super excited about that. I'll put links for all of these in the description box below, so whatever you like, you can just go and check it out. All of these colors are on the website, or whatever colors they have now. They do go out of stock quick, so I hope you get yours soon. They will be coming back. If they are out of stock, do not panic. It is not too late. They're always bringing them in, and they will always be carrying this line here, this Lorena Worsted. So thanks so much, everybody. Super excited. If you want to share your pictures, a great place to do it is on our Facebook group, the Secret Yarnery Crochet Community. Fabulous ladies over there, super supportive, helpful. You can answer questions, ask questions, and share your yarny journey. And you can also tag me on Instagram if you're on Instagram at Secret Yarnery. Love to see what you're working on, and love to see your colors for Mile a Minute. I can't wait. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day and stay hooked. Or $32.90 to the rest of the, or $32.90 to the rest. No. Oh, I got a kid in here. Hope did you come on the screen? Okay, good. You need scissors. For what? I think you've taken all my scissors, honey. Yes, I had 12 pair of school scissors in here. They're all gone. Every pair. And they still come in here for scissors. I don't have any, honey, but I love you.